How to change the handwriting recognition time on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then from the home screen, swipe down at the top. In the quick settings panel, tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down and then tap on general management. Now in here, we go down and tap on Samsung keyboard settings. Then scroll down and tap on handwriting. Next, in here, tap on recognition time. Tap on that, and from here you could choose 0.1 seconds, 0.3 seconds, 0.5 seconds, 1 second to 2 seconds. Select one of the options, and that's it. So after that, you can use your handwriting to start writing on your pad. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.